Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial video again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to unhide or unarchive your chats on Telegram app. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to unhide or unarchive your chats on Telegram, let's open up our Telegram app first. And after that, you can see the archive chats on the top of our Telegram interface. Let's tap on the archive chats, and after that you can see I have messaged a person over here. And if you wanted to unhide or unarchive a chat, you'll be required to tap and hold on the chat which you want to unarchive, and you can see the three dotted icon appear on the top right corner of your screen when you tap and hold on the chat box you want to unarchive. Let's tap on the three dotted icon, and after that you can see the unarchive option available over here. Tap on unarchive and the chat has been unarchived, guys. Or you can just simply swipe the chat box to the left to automatically unarchive the chat which was on the archive. And there, guys, this is how you unhide or unarchive your chat on Telegram app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.